This book can be read to the tune of the Itsy Bitsy Spider. If you know that song, you can sing along with me. Hi, it's Desiree. My goal is to bring more books into your homes, from my bookshelf to yours. The Itsy Bitsy Bunny by Jeffry Burton. The Itsy Bitsy Bunny was hopping up the trail. Down fell the basket past his tiny tail. Out came his friends to help him on his way. For the Itsy Bitsy Bunny was planning Easter Day. They took the Easter baskets and scurried all around, hiding Easter eggs throughout the little town. With jelly beans and chocolate candy too, the Itsy Bitsy Bunny's big Easter wish came true. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like this story. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and be sure to check out the Facebook page, My Bookshelf to Yours, where I post every day hands-on activities that go along with the read-alouds. Thanks for visiting, from my bookshelf to yours.